to my channel. My name is Rachel Banks and I plan to bring you beauty to beauty. Okay guys, so as promised, I have the follow-up video to the fall decor haul. So I am going to show you how I decorated my home for fall. I'm just gonna like walk you through my house and all the little pieces that I added for fall in my house as well as outside. So we'll do like a little garden update as well as kind of see some of the decor that I added outside. Now I will say that the type of decor that I added to my house is for the minimalist, so it's like very minimal. I know some people go, you know, go all out for fall or whatever. They have wreaths, pumpkins everywhere, scarecrows everywhere, whatever fall decor they love, glitter, glam, all that stuff is everywhere, even a farmhouse or whatever. So mine is like little hints of pieces of fall just to change it up for the season. That's kind of where I'm going with my home decor. I just want like small statements of fall throughout my house. Now Christmas I do a little bit more just because, you know, I have like Christmas trees and things like that up. So I do a little more around the Christmas season, but for fall I just put little pieces here and there. So I'll show you how I decorate my house with my fall decor. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like when you enter my home. I have this built-in shelving unit and I have like little knickknacks. Okay guys, so I got this brown pumpkin here from the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love it. It was only $1. It's brown and gold. And I absolutely love that little pumpkin. I also got these 3 pumpkins down here from the Dollar Tree as well. The green, the orange, and the white pumpkins. I thought they were very cute. Of course, they were only $1. And then this pumpkin right here, it came in a set of 3. And I think I paid $9. But check out that fall haul decor video that was posted right before this one to get the price of that pumpkin. Okay, and as we leave the entryway, you step into my front room. So this is my front room. I'm going to give you a quick overview of the front room, and then we'll go into detail of all of the different decor pieces for fall that I added to my front room. Okay, so this first pumpkin you see here I got from the Dollar Tree. It is orange and gold. It is the same type of pumpkin that you saw in my entryway, the brown and gold one. I thought it looked really cute right there and kind of played with the brass ducks and the golds of the other knickknacks. And then on my coffee table, I added 3 pumpkins, and I got those pumpkins from Marshalls and TJ Maxx, I believe. I think 2 of the pumpkins that I had purchased last year are from TJ Maxx, and then that other pumpkin, as we get up close, I'll show you. So this orange pumpkin and this green tillage pumpkin, I got those last year in a haul. The blue pumpkin right here came in the set with the teal pumpkin and then another white pumpkin. So that teal pumpkin, you saw it in my entryway. The white pumpkin you will see soon. But anyways, I got 3 of those pumpkins for $9. And then I think I paid $4 for the teal pumpkin and $3 for the orange pumpkin. Okay guys, so this is that one white pumpkin that was a part of that trio of pumpkins. And then I also have this orange and goldish pumpkin that I got from the Dollar Tree for $1. I still have my candle up here. Right now I'm just about to show you the overall look of this leaning shelf. Okay guys, so we are about to come into what would be considered my formal dining room, but it is another sitting room. As you can see on the coffee table in this room, I have some pumpkins that I got from Family Dollar, and these pumpkins were only $5, and they light up. As you can see, they are lit. They have like a little switch at the bottom that you can use. I'm gonna cut the lights off now so that you can get like how it looks at night. Aren't they cute? I love the way that they sparkle. I think it matches this room so well with the kind of like the glam of the room. I think this is more like my glam room, with the, you know, just the different decor in there. But I absolutely love these pumpkins that I got from Family Dollar. Okay guys, so that brings me to this little DIY I did. I took 3 of the pumpkins that I got from my Michael's haul in the last video, and I spray painted them with a little metallic silver, a rosy kind of mauve color, and blue, and I set them in this little tray. Okay guys, so this brings me into the kitchen. I got those hand towels that say gather from the Dollar Tree, and they were only $1 each. Do not sleep on the Dollar Tree, y'all. The Dollar Tree is what's up. It has beautiful fall decor for only $1 each. I don't know where I got that candle from, but on my kitchen table I have some flowers that I got from, or bouquets, small bouquets that I got from the Family Dollar, not the Family Dollar, Dollar Tree. Yes, guys, from the Dollar Tree for only $1. And I mixed these bouquets in with the pumpkins that I got from Michael's. But I just can't believe the deal that I got at the Dollar Tree. This bouquet is so cute for $1. Like, you know, you stick it in somewhere and it just adds some nice little decor, I guess. Some nice little, I don't know how to describe it, but I just love it. I love these little bouquets that I got from the Dollar Tree. For only $1, you just can't beat it. But anyways, I put them in there with the pumpkins, and this is going to be my centerpiece for my table. Okay guys, so I did go outside and I snipped a few of my sunflowers just to add a couple of fresh flowers. So let's go outside and take a look at the fall decor outside. Now that you saw the fall decor that I have in my home, let's head outside so you can see some garden updates, and then let's check out some little pieces that I added outside. Okay guys, I have some beautiful tomatoes that are starting to ripen that I'm super excited about. I'm about to pluck the ones that are ripe. Okay guys, so I know you see these beautiful jalapenos, very, very beautiful. I will say that these are the hottest jalapenos I have ever tasted in my life. Like, these are hotter than any jalapeno you can get from the grocery store. I also have some okra growing here, as you can see. Super excited about that. Can't wait to use my okra, the tomatoes, and the jalapenos all together. Now, this year, my zucchinis didn't do too well, but I have a few cucumbers that are coming in. Hopefully they do okay. But my zucchinis, I don't know what's going on with these things, but they didn't do too well. But here is my overall garden view. Okay, guys, so I got these little pumpkin scarecrows from the Dollar Tree for only $1, and I thought it would be cute over here. This is like my wildflower area. I planted some wildflowers, some nasturtiums. It's some weeds they grew into. I'm not mad at them. It looks very full over here. So I love the combination of the wildflowers, the nasturtiums, and the weeds with the pumpkin scarecrows. Okay, guys, these zinnias, I think that's how you say it. Oh my gosh, they are giving me so much life. I absolutely love the pops of orange. They're so cute and they last forever. I know these are the ones that you can cut and they're supposed to regrow, but I just love the way that they look and I don't want to cut them right now. Okay, so here are some more scarecrows that I got from the Dollar Tree for only $1. I thought they were really, really cute. Look at my elephant ears. I love them. They are so big now. Here's another scarecrow couple. It's a male and a female scarecrow. And I got that from Aldi for only $5 each, either $5 or $6 each. It was either $5.99 or just $5. But I thought they were so cute, and you don't put them like in the ground with stakes. They're really heavy, so they just stand up on their own. Okay, here I'm just trying to show just how big these nasturtiums are. I am like obsessed. I'm growing nasturtiums every year. Not only is the flower edible, but they're beautiful. Okay, so I got these mums from Aldi, and I replanted them in this pot that I got from the Family Dollar. The pot was $5, and the mum, I think it was $2.99 if I'm not mistaken. It wasn't a very big mum, but my thought process is if I put them in this pot, then they'll get bigger, and then at the end of the season, I'm going to plant them in the ground because they are supposed to come back every year. And I have 2 mums, one on either side of my stairs in the flower pot that I got from the Family Dollar for $5. Okay, now I'm just going to do an overall summary recap of my fall decor. Hopefully you really enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you are the type of person that goes all out for fall, or if you're like me and add just little pieces here and there for fall, or if you don't even do anything for the different seasons. Leave all of that in the comments, as well as if you have a garden, if you add a little bit of fall decor in your garden as well. So hopefully you all really enjoyed this video. I had fun filming it. I love decorating. I love adding new pieces to my home, as well as moving around old pieces. Make sure, if you haven't done so already, that you subscribe to my channel, y'all. And then to all my existing subscribers, I really appreciate your support. And also don't forget to like and share this video, and when you do subscribe, click that notification bell so that you don't miss an upload. I have two videos already that I'm planning to upload soon. One is how I meal prep on Sundays for the work week, and then there's a second one that's a FabFitFun unboxing. It's the fall FabFitFun. So two exciting videos coming up, especially that one about the how I meal prep on Sundays. I think I'm gonna start incorporating more cooking videos, because I do have a large family, in the sense that I do have 3 living kids and my husband and myself that I have to cook for during the work week, or throughout the week or whatever. So I do a lot of meal prep, and I do a lot of easy meals. So you'll see some recipes coming to you, like easy meals during the work week, as well as what I do on Sunday to kind of prepare myself for the work week. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already. To my existing subscribers, again, I appreciate your support. Thank you so very much, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.